to grab so many words, as it is happening everywhere. It's so
Yes.
nowadays it's really prevalent in this on YouTube, specifically on YouTube. It's like,
Mm.
using idiomatic expressions and then idioms and then good concrete words. That's completely fine. I'm not against that. I'm saying that it is not about always, using good words, concrete words. That is okay to have that knowledge and you're utilizing them, okay. But if you're not speaking spontaneously, things are not coming from your mouth naturally, it's not natural from your side. So I think it's totally funny, fake, right?
Yeah.
So to me, it's more important to speak with that spontaneity. That's more important than using good concrete words. It is okay. I'm not saying that should be the kind of repetition be there. No. Again, if you're using the same word, so that becomes a monotonous, tedious. People would not like to listen to you. Okay. But here I'm saying once you are speaking
Yes.
with your heart, you're speaking with your heart and expressions are there. You're speaking so naturally. So this is it. People would love to listen to you.
Yes. You're right, ma'am. So I'm going to just review my opinions. In this time, I think 99%, especially I'm talking about learners, are facing problem because they are unable to remember words, even a single day, I would say. So what they can do for remembering the words for long period of time, they have to use, I think, whatever they learn one day before, yeah, 2 days before. Like suppose they have learned two vocabularies in a day, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that two vocabulary literally they have to use, okay, while talking to people.
Mm-hmm.
If it is not possible for them to talking with the people, so they can do the self-doing practice, right? Yeah, even they can talk to self by putting any range of matters, and in that situation they can use vocabularies, whatever they learned.
Yeah, right.
So this is the way revision will be cycling, recycling. Revision will be recycling, and it would be work as a replacement of their previous memories, right? So this is the way people can remember the words. Another way I would say they start keep reading, I think. Because if they start reading books, so this would be also good for them to remember. Because it's obvious things. One word comes multiple time in this in any stories. So while reading, it's obvious thing they must met. I think they must have met many times the same vocabularies everywhere. So this would
Mm-hmm.
be also work nicely. Because if I talk about me, so I often do the same thing. Whenever I learn any vocabulary, so I have inculcated habit of reading books. And reading books, it has really helped me out a lot. So this is the way I remember. So everyone can apply this. This is my
Yeah.
opinion.
Yeah, that's right. But sometimes reading becomes so boring, so tedious task because people are not really inclined towards reading books nowadays because of the social media and the smartphone they're using. So everything they can just browse,
Hmm.
with the help of social media, and they'll come to know they have that access. So they are not taking care of the books and all because they have already everything in their hands. It's just a click away, right? Any kind of information they need,
Hmm.
it's just a click away. So they are not really inclined towards nowadays. Hardly you'll see people inclined towards reading books. They're lean towards them.
Yes, ma'am, you're right. I think we have a lot of many, I think a lot of choices of remembering the words and learning anything quickly. But we are not dedicated that much, which is required right now. People are feeling very monotonous when the actual things they have to follow. At that
Mhm.
time, they always neglecting. They
Yeah.
procrastinating their act towards the matters, and that's the reason they are unable to fulfill their desire, their needs, right?
Mhm.
Because of that reasons. I believe to be dedicated towards yourself, towards your goals, and then only you can get what you expecting from yourself. I
Yeah,
do
that's
often,
right.
and I always suggest people must follow this. Right.
Yeah,
So,
that's great.
ma'am, do you want to add anything, or we should further next topics?
Yeah, we can take next one topic.
Yeah. So next topic was that how any beginner can improve their English without environment, without any companion. So
Mhm.
I just want to give you a chance. You just break the ice first, and then I'll.
Definitely. And I would like to take the head start. See, for anyone, when somebody is embarking their journey to learn English language and to enhance their communication skills. So initially, each and every individual is a beginner, is a amateur, right? They have the interest, but they are very, mediocre in that, and we can say a bit behind the ears. Okay, but see, with the grit, the patience level, and the dedication, the kind of conviction if you have, so you'll get the hang of it with the time, over time, right? I would not say that you're going to get your goal, achieve your goal within weeks. Can't be possible, right? It's not feasible at all, because that solicits a lot of
Yes.
hard work. You have to be so, dedicated, determined here. Okay, and talking about for an individual, you need to be so much like determined, tenacious here. And if you do not have that environment, there is nothing to be worried about, because if you have this much, capacity to grow, so you can grow anywhere. It has nothing to do with the environment. Okay, we can make our own environment. We can make, the way you explored yourself, the way I explored myself, the kind of command now we have, you have, I have. How did we start it? How did we take that initiative, right? With that hope, with that willingness. So it's really important to have that zeal, within yourself, and the kind of
Mm.
interest. Once you are so much, passionate, and you have that fervor to do something in your life, I think nobody can stop you, neither the environment. It's all in your mind, the kind of setbacks. If you are thinking that, okay, if I'm going to do this, so I'm going to face these kind of impediments. These are all in our mind. It starts from our mind, our thought process.
Mm.
So anyone can start from themselves, from sitting at home, talking about, commencing a business. Many, I think you might have seen, or you might have
Mhm.
heard, many people, they out there, they are like, commencing their business from the home, like talking about the women's and all. And just a small business, it just gets so big at some point of time with passage of time, right? So how did that happen? Because of that efforts, dedication, and positive mindset as well. Because it happens that at some point we feel like demotivating, disappointing, because we do not see the result. So that time it is not visible, right? But with the help of that grit that we have
Yes.
to maintain within ourselves, we need to be so resilient here and maintain that composure anyhow. Then we can, and see, most importantly, that now we have that access, social media, and so many apps are there, platforms are there. So we can learn. We
Mhm.
cannot make lame excuses.
Yes.
Like if we say, let's say 10 years ago, 15 years ago, we didn't have this much, access and the smartphone and all. Okay, so now we cannot make such excuses. We have our own environment. It is all, depend on you. How much you are capable to do that? Do you have that potential to just, foster that kind of courage and do something out of the box? That is all your choice. You need to go to the extra mile. You cannot just sit idle and just imagine. You have to just put the things into the implementation. This I can say.
Yeah, you're right. I'm 100% I'm agree with you. Without taking action towards nothing are you going to have. So I
Mm,
believe like if anybody want to improve English, so there is no need of having environment especially. Just dedication must be there inside of it towards your aims, your goals, and whatever you want in your life. Dedication, passionations, I think, and as well as determinations. These are the very prominent, the quality as a human being towards their goals, aims. It must be there. Then only you can achieve entire
mm.
things.
Yeah, right.
Okay, there's no need of having environment, a specific, companion whom you can interact on daily basis. No. Nowadays, in this scenario we are living in a digital era, I think we have a multiple source. It's a totally up to us like how we can utilize this, right? Everything is
Mhm.
possible for us. So I believe like if they are crying for I'm not having an environment for doing such things, so they are stupid by education, I think. They do not they do not have enough knowledge yet. They have to start again the education, right? So I
Mm.
believe like just try to utilize what you have now. Everything is possible. We have a AI support now. They are
Exactly.
talking as a human being. So why are
Mm-hmm.
you expecting to have companion for interacting? AI can be
Exactly.
the best, I think, friends of yours at any
Mm-hmm.
moment. You can use ChatGPT. This could be works as a human, right? They will talk to you. They would never let you feel like you are talking to yourself only. No, They can be your good friends at any
They will
moment.
correct you as well.
So these are the methods. Yeah, they will correct you. They will answer you of your entire questions. So it's totally up to you the way you use the things in your day-to-day life. So I
Mhm.
just want to just this main point, like they have to use their brain. Everything is possible. This is only language. You can do anything. This
Mm.
is a very easy language. I personally consider it's very easier than other language. I would say anyone can improve. Enough you
Yes.
have to use your wisdoms. That's all.
Yeah, exactly. You need to strive hard, and you can see the result is visible in front of your eyes. You can see that. Because some people, they have
Yes.
some excuses to make. They have always a bone to pick, that I don't have any environment, I don't have any partner, how can I like improve myself? And then they come to the vocabularies and the grammatical rules, complex grammatical rules. See, they just make it so intricate here by saying it again and by that, I'm lacking here, I'm lacking there, I'm lagging behind, and what. See, to me, as far as I am concerned, it is all in your mind, and with the time and with your practice, with your dedication, you can just reach to that particular goal that you have desired for yourself, that achievement. Okay, it needs your
Yeah.
efforts, your hard work.
And sometimes you have to upgrade your thoughts, your mindset. Then
Yeah,
only
right.
you can see the hidden things which is already there, but you are unable to see. You are
Mm-hmm.
not able to see that visibility. So you have to upgrade yourself according to times and situation. And then only you can see the things which is very important for you and that can help you in upcoming days. So
Yeah,
in
right.
this time, I would say learning English, even anything, it's a piece of cake for anyone. But the thing is that they are unable to do it because they do not have that much accuracy in their thoughts, which is very
Mm.
important. Always think in a multiple way, not in only one way, because people are very sensitive by multiple aspect, I would say. And I think in a situation, sensitiveness, it would never help you. Sometimes you have to bold by nature, then only you have gotten the clarity about multiple things,
Mm.
and this is very important in this time. After stucking in one situation, people are feeling helpless. They think like, oh my god, how to get out of this, but they have solution already, but they are unable to think in different way. So in that
Mm.
situation, I'm talking about English.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever those people who are coming from rule of place, they always consider this language is very tough for them because they might not have done any school, so it's very difficult for them. So the need is that you have to change your mindset, then only you can see like how easy this language for you and how easily you can improve, learn it. Just like me, I always taken this language easier than my native language. That's why still I'm able to talk. So you can also do what I did earlier, right,
Exactly.
ma'am?
Yes, you have hit the nail on the head.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So in this situation, you have to only need of changing your mindset. Everything is possible. I believe. You should also believe.
Yeah. And see, once we have a good command over this language and we know how to communicate now, okay, so we get that authority while speaking. We become more gregarious, more outgoing we become with the help of this confidence level, because somewhere our confidence level is also boosting up. And that is so good for us, so fruitful for us. So why not, right? I think it is such a good way to enhance your speaking skills and then your confidence level, because at the end of the day, people would notice your confidence, your appearance, right? And your spontaneity.
Yes. And one thing, once you have developed, the confidence enough, everything is possible for you because you are going to learn how to stand for anything, right?
Hmm.
And this is a very important to learn out how to stand for anything. I would say this could be the English language or any language. I would say. So
Yeah.
you have to learn, and if you know how to stand for anything, so it will help you in your real life, in your day-to-day life situation also. It will help you. So
Yeah, that's
this is
true.
time to learn out this potential of your own. People are
Exactly.
very potential. I mean, they are quite confident enough and they have good abilities and what I say capacity to deal with encountering multiple situations. But they always get fear before taking a step towards, right?
Mhm.
So do not frighten of taking a step. So always you are willing to get the consequence, right? Then only you can think, yeah, you would be able that time or not. I personally
Exactly.
think,
Yeah,
right?
that's true. Yeah, Chandan, so you have anything to ask? Any queries? Any other queries?
Yes. The one question I have in my mind, like in this time, people always, people, yeah, you can say learner, always think after the, becoming correct in my English, then I will start learning English. This is the right attitude for any learners who thinks like after becoming good in
Mm-hmm.
all grammar and English, then I will start speaking. So, what is your opinion?
See, I would say it's not the right approach. Once you think that the day when I feel perfect, then I will be speaking in English. So that is not the right approach. That attitude, that's not right. What can you do? Like, see, with practice and with those mistakes, the kind of laughs we make, a lot of times we make a lot of learn, and we really learn, we literally learn, and we can improve ourselves. And talking about becoming so perfect and then speaking, it is such a kind of fantasy. Yeah, it's a kind of dream, you can say, that's not real and cannot be vivid unless or until you make those practice of speaking. Whether you make mistakes, whether you make errors, no issue, but you need to be speaking, and with the practice of speaking you'll become so perfect. I would not say perfect, but at least you will be so, that time, charismatic. You can impress people, and that time you might have that gift of gab. Gift of gab meaning you will be so impressive, and you can persuade people, convince people with your talks, with your way of speaking, right? In
Mhm.
English, everything in English, not any other languages. So that will happen with the practice. Okay. As there is a saying that Rome was not built in a
Yes.
day. Okay. So with the practice and by making a lot of errors and the mistake, you will learn a lot. You will become the, I can say, so not perfect, but very eloquent in that. You will be speaking in such a majestic way, and the change would be so dramatic. But with the time, again, I'm saying with the time.
Yes, yeah, you're right, ma'am. I'm really agree with you. I always consider one thing acceptance. It's very prominent, steps
Mm-hmm.
behind the learners, I would say. If you are ready to accept, all the consequences which is coming upcoming times, you can do entire things in your life. Everything is possible. People are not ready to accept, their mistakes because of having unknown fear of upcoming days.
That's
Nothing
right.
will happen. Don't be without,
Hello, Chandan, we have hardly 1.5 minutes, 1 minute, you can say. So we have to wrap up.
Okay,
So
sorry
by
for
saying
that.
this, it's okay. By saying something, you have to wrap up, okay? Because I'll be cutting this part. Wrap up करना आपको 1 minute.
Okay,
Have
so
tea.
1 minute is left, right?
Have tea. Everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. So I was just talking about, we have to learn how to accept,
Mm-hmm.
acceptance is a very important, the attitude of, learners, I would say. And then only everything, I think, then only you can encounter your fear, inner fear, and you can move ahead, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah,
only you can, do anything. So you have to, sustain such attitude in you,
exactly.
and then only you can learn. But
Yeah,
such
right.
dare and attitude doesn't exist in learner nowadays because they are Gen Z now. Because they are Gen Z and they have multiple thoughts and
They don't have that
enter at
patience
the
level.
moment. Yes, and they are
Patience
not ready
level.
to deal with that. That's why they are
That's
feeling
true.
unknown. Unknown fear, insecurity like that
Exactly.
because of major reasons. That's why. Yeah, that's
Okay.
my point.
Okay, Chandan, then let's wrap up this conversation as we are running out of time. And it was wonderful connecting with you. Thank you so much for your precious time. And I thoroughly enjoyed